Today we are going to discuss about mixed supply and composite supply. Supply in GST is a very important term as the whole GST process is based on the supply of goods and services. So we today are going to discuss specifically about mixed supply and composite supply. First of all, let us see what is a mixed supply. A mixed supply is a combination of two or more supplies of goods or services or both that are made together for a single price. Here in mixed supply, each supply can be identified separately and the supplies are not dependent on one another. The taxation here is based on the supply made, with each supply taxed at its respective GST rate. Next, we will discuss about the composite supply. Composite supply is a supply made by a taxable person to a recipient consisting of two or more supplies of goods or services or both, which are naturally bundled and supplied together in the ordinary course of business. Here, the supplies are independent on each other, whereas in mixed supply it was independent of each other, but in composite supply the supply are dependent on each other. One good cannot be sold without the another. That is what we call as dependent. And one supply out of the two will form the principal supply. So taxation here is on the single supply with the GST rate determined by the principal supply. Let us illustrate this. First of all, let us talk about the mixed supply. When you go to a retailer and you buy a laptop along with the printer, usually we have such offers, no? A laptop comes with a printer. Here it is bundled product. The laptop and printer can be identified separately. A laptop and printer are not dependent on each other because a laptop can be sold separately and the printer can be sold separately. But here, for some purpose or in order to attract the consumers or to introduce some new offers or discounts, the retailer plans to sell both as a single bundle. This is what you call as a mixed supply. Here each supply would be taxed separately. Though the goods are sold together, the laptop has a different GST rate and the printer comes with a different GST rate. That is what is called as a mixed supply. So mixed supply, I again stress this point, is a bundle of goods or services which can be identified separately but they are sold together for a specific reason, and particularly these goods are not dependent on each other. Such a supply is called as mixed supply. Next, coming to composite supply. Composite supply is a supply which combines two aspects, either two goods or goods and services which are complementary to each other or which are dependent to each other, which forms a natural bundle, and they have to be supplied together in the ordinary course of business. If you are going to buy a meal at a restaurant, the food includes the service. The food and service that is being provided by the restaurant cannot be separated. You need a table, you need a plate on which the food has to be served. A person has to deliver the food to your table. There must be a very pleasant environment. There must be nice climatic conditions which is being ensured by an AC, a pleasant waiter, all such things. So that is what we call service, no? So the food, the biryani name, for example, the biryani and the service together form a product here. That is what we call a composite supply. So a customer buys a meal at a restaurant which includes both food and service. The food and service here are naturally bundled, which cannot be separated. Now, how will it be taxed? What is the main thing here? What is the principal supply? Of course, the biryani. So GST will be taxed on the basis of the food, which is the principal supply here. So I hope you understood what is composite supply and what is mixed supply. Thank you.